And I was at Mayo Clinic and had big hip surgery done, and Gavinella asked me to sign a little form when he had, after he'd done the surgery, because it had fractured in there, the femur, so he had to put brackets on it, you know, and all this other garbage.
So you've been a medical marvel
Yeah.
for a few videos then, huh?
Yeah, so he used that thing in his teaching classes.
Mm-hmm.
That's what he had to do to fix that thing.
Well, it's good that he knew exactly.
I don't mind it. Look, the price is always right, so. I don't want to get paid for it anyway. Is she taking a picture or did she keep leave?
No, she's videoing from behind you.
What's that?
She's doing video from behind you, over your shoulder.
Oh, that's what she's doing.
Yeah.
No, then I better shut up.
No, not at all. Conversation is what makes it fun. Relax your foot here a little bit. Relax, relax. There you go.
I can't.
You can't?
That's right. I hate that damn cutting my toenails. I never used to mind it, but I just hate it now.
You know, you're not alone. I had someone earlier this week tell me they'd rather go to the dentist than have this done.
I never used to mind it at all, but I don't know. It gets to be a phobia in your brain, you know, eventually.
Really?
Did they ever stop growing?
No, when you're dead.
When they burn you up, then they'll be the end of them, huh?
Exactly. When your circulation gets bad, they'll grow slower.
What do they?
But they don't stop growing, and that whole they continue to grow after you die thing, that's a fallacy. That doesn't happen.
You deal with hands at all, fingers?
You know, in our state, it's kind of a throwback. We are allowed to. So, like, I can treat a wart on your hand. I would never diagnose or do surgery on your hand. But legally, yeah, I can treat hands in this state.
What's an easy solution to breaking fingernails? Cracking and drying and chip off? And is it just old age? So
It can be.
Yeah,
And there's
I thought-
lots of people who swear by lots of different remedies. And if you want, we can throw it out to the viewers, and they can write comments and let us know what they have found, because I don't really know of anything that's gonna.
yeah, my good friend Doc Nash, who's what, 91, 92 now. He's anesthesiologist at North and chief of staff. He looks at some of that and he says, well, there's only one solution I know of. That's dying. I think he's right. You still taking that?
Yeah.
Did I get on your TV now?
Maybe.
You gotta give me this.
Yeah, I'll tell you where to look.
Yeah. Otherwise I'll send all they're looking for. That's a new deal. We got there too, isn't it?
Probably since you've been in, because now why was it 6 months since you've been here? What happened? You go away in the winter, or?
Is that right?
Yeah.
Well, I'll try to get it here soon. Got it all, huh?
Yeah. So what happened? Why was it so long in between appointments? Were you gone, or just being caregiver for your wife? You didn't have time, or how come you haven't been in for so long?
Well, we changed appointments 3 times.
Okay.
She keeps backing out on me, and then she had something wrong with her foot, and she wanted to see him about that, and then when we got her said, oh, good. I said, well, with no good old toenails got. Well, then she said, well, I don't have to do them now, blah, blah, blah. I said,
Who's she?
my wife.
Okay. So, yeah, okay,
That's why I haven't been here.
yeah. That's rough.
She always accused me of, before me coming too often, that I come much more often than she does. I said, oh, I like to visit with the lady cutting my toenails.
You know, part of that is just the dementia.
Yeah, I know.
You know, you hear about husbands or wives who are...
They need something to feel good about it, I think. What is that? Is that a way to put it? Or something?
Yeah, you know, also, you know, sometimes with the early onset of a dementia, they'll get very angry and you hear about people accusing a husband or wife of having an affair or whatever. And that's just all part of the disease.
She doesn't do that, but she gets mad at him once in a while. Yeah, she could just kill me.
And she didn't used to.
Hmm?
And she didn't used to before the onset.
Yeah.
She didn't used to get mad like that.
Yeah. She's better about it, but for a while she was really, even my daughter said, Dad, just don't disagree with her. Just whatever it is, just say, okay, fine.
Well, that's the thing, you know. It's not gonna make any difference
Yeah.
10 minutes from now whether you agree or you don't.
Yeah. Because I'll tell her something, she'll say, don't know anything about it, never heard it before. My daughter was there 2 days ago with a great-granddaughter.
Mm-hmm.
And then she said, well, why would she come over once in a while? I said, they were here 2 days ago. Yeah, they weren't either. All right.
Exactly, so, you
So they
know,
weren't.
you say, all right, well, I'll call her and see when she can come.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just put a little Band-Aid on that one
Okay.
and just have you leave that on until tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
It's just bleeding a little
That one's
bit.
always been a mess.
Yep. I mean, it's not really bleeding, but it, we'll just not take any chances, okay? You got enough on your plate right now.
Yes. God, if I live to another birthday, I'll be an old guy.
How old is that?
I'm gonna be 80. I'm 89 now.
Really?
I'm gonna be 90. Yeah.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank